Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Monday, September the 2nd, 2024. And I've already solved 2 puzzles. 3-star Sudoku and a 4-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku and the Binary puzzle. Yes. You are interested in the binary puzzle number 9198. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits. That's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 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 Now the double O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then, let me see. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then, well, between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there one, and 4 ones we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's. Then between 2 O's comes in 1, between double O's here, one there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finished in 2 minutes. Well, told you. 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, alright, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.